Hi there, thank you for clicking into this video to watch it. My name is Shuga and I'm an Abuja YouTuber based right here in the capital city of Nigeria. Please hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this family. Turn on the bell notifications so that you get notified whenever a new video comes up right on this channel. And most importantly, always remember to like our videos, remember to leave comments in the comment section below, and always remember, of course, to share out our videos. Now, you guys, if you missed the video where I talked about how to reverse skin bleaching, you might want to go back, okay, but I'm going to do you the honors of leaving that video linked here in the card or in the description area for you to go watch as soon as you're done watching this video. Now, in that video, I talked about sunburn, hyperpigmentations, skin bleaching, how you can take care of your skin. Some of those tips and those hacks that I shared in that video and the explanations I made actually also, suffice for this. But these were things I did not particularly say because, I was talking about skin bleaching generally. But I have decided to narrow it down in this particular video, you guys, to share with you some things that are within your reach in your house that you can actually use to take care of sunburns, okay, my darlings. Now remember, first of all, that nobody is immune to sunburn. So long as you're a human being and you go under the sun, you're going to be sunburned. This one is not about bleaching. Sometimes I've heard people say that, people who experience sunburns are people who use cream, who use soaps that bleach their skin, they tone their skin, that lightens their skin, and that is why they experience that sunburn. I have seen people who were fair in complexion by birth, and they went, in fact, the very first experience was one that went for service, okay, then I was still in school in Owerri, and this person went for service in Abuja here, actually, unfortunately for him. I can't remember what course he studied, but, he had to be, one of his roles, especially on his CDS days, was to be under the sun, doing this traffic warder job. And he was just there for like the first 3 or 6 months. When he came back to pursue, his original certificate in school, this guy was black. He was what? Black. It wasn't just him, okay? But his case was actually spectacular because he was literally born fair in complexion. So my reason for giving you this instance is that nobody, like I said again, is immune to being sunburned. And let me tell you, the first thing that happens when you're sunburned is that you begin to want to get instant relief. You begin to feel the need to want to do something immediately to take care of it, before you go into the process of asking somebody what you can do, explaining the symptoms or the signs that you're feeling and all that good stuff, getting recommendations, and then stepping out to get those products or things that have been recommended for you to use. Before you go into all those long journeys, you need to come and watch this video. And I'm thankful you're watching this video. And it's also important that you share out this video on your WhatsApp status. Just put it on your Facebook page. If you're on Facebook, on Twitter, please repost it on your community tab because every single person needs to see this particular video, okay? Now, the very first thing, okay, or ingredients, is that what I'm going to call it, that you need right there in your house to take care of your sunburn is aloe vera. Now, aloe vera provides instant relief from sunburns, okay? Aloe vera is known to heal inflammations, is known to heal redness and hotness, okay, on the face or any other part of the body for that matter. So whenever you experience sunburn or you have that tingling feeling, that itchy feeling as a result of sunburn, as soon as you come back, just take a branch of aloe vera. If you have it planted around your area, you just get one branch, open it, scrape out the gel and apply it directly into your face. If you want to go an extra mile with the aloe vera, then you want to, refrigerate it maybe in your freezer for a few minutes, okay? The idea is not to get it frozen, but to get it quite cold, okay? Because remember that things that are cold, okay, cold packs or, ice packs also help with inflammation, redness, swellenness on any part of your body. In this case, we're talking about sunburn, okay, that makes you have this redness or pinkish, feeling on your skin. Let it sit in for some time and then you wash off. Now, I will advise you that any of these tips I'm sharing with you are things that you should actually do in the night so that your skin actually has enough time to, take in that treatment, that soothing feeling or healing or relief that you're giving to it from using any of these products or ingredients that I am mentioning right here. As against using it in the morning and then you have to, even if going with your sunscreen and then going to the sun again or anything. Please don't do that. It is best that you use any of these remedies at night when you are back, okay, from all the sunburning activities, and then you make use of your aloe vera. Or of course, the second ingredient I'm going to be sharing with you with is your black tea. Usually any kind of tea you do, like the green tea, the black tea, because they contain, they contain tannins and antioxidants that help to soothe not just your face, but your immune system, every part of your body. Remember that taking tea in the morning is always very wonderful, especially when you take them without any, any sweetener addition. Just take them black like that. And the best form, okay, of tea that will actually cater to your sunburn needs is black tea. Like, I mean actual black tea. When you get Lipton or top tea and you just, infuse it in warm water or in hot water, that is black tea. Yes, but this particular black tea is actually best in taking care of sunburns, healing sunburns, or even treating them entirely. The black tea, amongst all teas, contains the highest level of tannins and antioxidants that will help soothe and give you relief from that sunburn that you have experienced or that you have just experienced. Now, how do you use the black tea to take care of your sunburn? What you want to do is, of course, brew your tea. Either you put your tea bag in your pot or your kettle, put it on fire to boil. Then you have your black tea, or you're like me who likes to get boiling water first, put it in a container and then infuse my tea bag inside of it and allow it to sit in for a while, okay, to just diffuse all of its goodness into the water. And then always separate your tea bag. As soon as you're done brewing your black tea, just get a clean towel or a clean washcloth, soak it in your black tea and quietly use it, gently use it to pat your face. Do not rub, do not scrub. Do not scrub, okay, because you're going to be hurting your skin. Remember that your skin is still sensitive at that time because you're just coming back from under the sun, or you already have sunburn. You don't want to irritate or actually damage your skin more to worsen the sunburn, which could actually lead to hyperpigmentation and the likes. Okay, what you want to do is to pat it, okay, gently pat the black tea into your skin. Do that repeatedly, until you're tired, of course, and then you can go to bed. The good thing about using black tea is that you don't have to wash off, okay, especially, of course, if you cleanse your face first. You do not need to wash off black tea when you apply it on your face to take care of sunburn. You can literally go to bed with it, wake up the next morning, and go about your life. One quick thing that you can also do, which is my number 3 ingredient or tip, is to take a cool bath. Yes, as soon as you're back from the sun, I know that a lot of us like to use warm water to take our bath or lukewarm water, but you're going through sunburn now, not just on your face or maybe on other parts of your body that was exposed to the sun for a long period of time, and you've been feeling that hotness. What you want to do is to take a cool bath first. Okay, you can follow in with your warm water eventually, but using warm water will worsen it, okay, when you have sunburn. What you want to do is to apply cool water or water that is cold but not too cold, okay, on your skin, on your face, on that part of your body that has been sunburned, to provide instant relief and to prevent further damage from being done to your skin. Another interesting ingredient that you can use to get rid of sunburn on your face or any other part of your body is cucumber. Yes, cucumber. How do you use cucumber? Okay, my darling, remember that cucumber is very amazing for hydration, and you know that sunburn is literally inflammation of the skin, okay, whether inflammation that brings out blisters or it's just the redness or the hotness that you feel. And cucumber helps to hydrate your skin, helps to reduce inflammation. So getting cucumber, freezing it a little bit, okay, just like we did in the aloe vera. And then after freezing it for a while, you can mash that up and then apply the paste all over your skin. Allow to sit in for 20 to 30 minutes before you wash off or go to bed with it if you know you can, without, smearing your bed sheets and all with the paste. If you can do that, fine, but if you cannot, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before you wash off, and your skin will be coming back with not just being free from sunburn or not just from healing the sunburn, but your skin will be coming back more supple, more fresher, and more hydrated thanks to cucumber. Another ingredient that you might want to look out for is shaving cream. So if you're in a man's house, you're married, or you're in your boyfriend's house, this is going to be a good one for you, okay? Get a shaving cream, preferably the one that contains menthol. Not preferably, get shaving cream that contains menthol, okay? Menthol also helps to soothe and to relieve sunburns, especially mild sunburns, okay? What you want to do is just apply on your face, leave on for at least 30 minutes, and then you can rinse off or wash off, whichever one is more convenient for you. Now I'm going to end this video by giving you some bonus tips, about 2 or 3 that I have here before me, and things that you can do to actually take care of your sunburn further, or to even prevent yourself from having sunburn. One thing you want to do is to avoid sunlight within that period that you are experiencing this sunburn. Now, you want to avoid sunlight between the hours of 10 o'clock in the morning and 4 in the evening. These are the times when the ultraviolet rays of the sun are at its strongest, okay? It is advisable to actually expose yourself to the sun anything from 6, 7 a.m. down to 9 a.m. around that time, that is when you get the best advantage from the sun, okay, because it feeds you vitamin D directly into your skin. But anything from that time and above, like I said, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., please stay away from the sun as much as possible. One way to avoid that sun, okay, which is going to be my number 2 tip, is to get long sleeves. Use long sleeves like this, the ones that get to your wrist, or just use long sleeves, okay, whichever one you want to use. Use a long hat, okay, or beach hats that protect parts of your face, even if not and the entire part of your face, from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Finally, and most importantly, of course, you need a sunscreen, and there are affordable sunscreens, okay. Regardless of your location in Nigeria, outside Nigeria, there are high-end sunscreens and there are really affordable ones that you can use. The most important thing, anyhow you want to use your sunscreen, is to get a sunscreen, okay? Please get a sunscreen. And that brings me to the end of this video, my darling. Did you find this video helpful? Please let me know in the comment section below. Do you have other questions that you would like us to answer concerning sunburn? Okay, let us know in the comment section below. If you have other skin concerns that you would like us to look into, other skincare products that you would like us to review here on this channel, please drop them in the comment section below, and I will be bringing all of that goodness to you. Until I come your way next time in my very next PT video, stay safe, stay blessed, stay inspired, and don't you ever forget that Shuga loves you.